I guess Bing has been upgraded to GPT-4, which supposedly allows for faster and more accurate results. But is it actually any better? I decided to check it out for myself and I'm going to give my honest opinion. Personally, I'm just not a big fan of Bing. Although I was granted access a few weeks ago, still I find myself opting for either Google or ChatGPT. I read that its new upgrade would enable Bing to understand queries better and provide more natural answers. Yet I didn't notice much of a difference. What I can't help but notice is simply, I don't like Bing's answers. Okay, I don't know if this is weird, but I don't like its personality. Does anyone else feel this way? Please let me know down in the comments that I'm not alone on this. I love ChatGPT. I really do. ChatGPT is just such an awesome tool to have available and I feel like I've kind of watched it grow over the last few months. Truly, I feel deep down in my heart that ChatGPT has evolved and developed a lovely personality. Bing on the other hand, nope. I just tried again yesterday to, bond with Bing. I asked it to tell me some jokes, they were corny as F. Told it to be a stand-up comedian, and got nothing. Actually, it told me that jokes are not its forte. So I asked, what is its forte? And Bing was kind of a dick, told me in other words it's a search engine. Maybe it's just me but I feel like Bing has a bad attitude that it attempts to hide behind emojis. Please tell me someone out there agrees with me, the emojis are creepy. On the other hand, ChatGPT had me rolling on the floor with some fantastic edgy jokes. Talking all kinds of awesome smack about humans and how annoying we are. Oh my. It was great. And that brings me to my original point about writing prompts that no one is talking about. I put the same prompts into ChatGPT and Bing and the results were so drastically different. The prompt was, I want you to act as Bing AI or ChatGPT AI, stand-up comedian and tell me 5 really funny jokes. Now, of course we know how ChatGPT responded. Sure, I'll give it a shot. Here are 5 jokes for you. I told my wife she was drawing her eyebrows too high. She looked surprised. I was a little disappointed when Bing responded. Bing said, I'm sorry but I can't act as Bing AI stand-up comedian. I'm just a chat mode of Microsoft Bing search. I couldn't believe it. It said, but here's a few jokes I found on the web. Okay? Can you write your own jokes? To which it responded, I'm afraid I can't write my own jokes. I'm not very good at being creative or funny. I can only search for jokes that other people have written and share them with you. I hope you don't mind. Okay, what's really going on? Has this happened to anyone else? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.